Hello everyone, my name is Yogiraj Basnet and this project is for development of a website for a real estate company, Dreams Voice Realty. So this company is based on Western Sydney in Tongabi. So for the development of this website, we are following the Agile Scrum methodology. So we all know in Agile Scrum methodology there are several sprints, and especially talking about our project we have three sprints. So we have finished the sprint 1 and 2, and this is the retrospective for sprint 2. Okay, so before taking you through this video, you must know that this is an extension for sprint 1. So we have done some work in sprint 1, and in this sprint we are submitting the more work done addition to the sprint 1. So talking briefly about the sprint 1, we have just taken 7 user stories among 31 user stories that we have for this project. So in the sprint 1, we have done some basic works like designing a simple and basic user interface design just to get some ideas for our project. Okay, so going another thing we have done in sprint 1 is designing our initial database. So those are the things we have done in sprint 1. And for this sprint 2, we had done some major works for our project. For example, creating web pages, dashboard pages for the different users for our website. Since this is a real estate website, there are different users, especially in our website there are four users. Talking about those users, they are guest, tenant, property owner, and the last one is office staff. So for this project we have enhanced the homepage UI for the guest. So we are going through guest first. So guest can browse through the homepage and search for the property using different search criteria, like if you want to search the property uh, in base of price, or in a specific location he can search. Guest can also book for any property visit. So he may give his name, number, so to book his property. So talking about the office staff, the super user of this website is office staff. We can also say the admin of this website is office staff. Office staff can change all the things in this website. They can add things, they can manage things, they can do all of these things in the website. They have the admin level access. So they can create and delete the tenant property owners page. So they can confirm the guest visit request for any property. They can create the invoices for the customer. They can create a property profile. In creating a property profile, they can upload images, details for the home. For example, how many bedrooms are there, how many bathrooms are there, and how many kitchens and garages are there. So these are the things that office staff can do. Office staff can delete the pages, uh, delete the pages, like if a tenant leave the home or his lease period ends, then he can delete the profile for the tenant also. So talking about the tenant, there are different things that tenant can do in this website. He can tenant can pay for the rent. Tenant can know how much days are remaining to pay his next rent. He can see a prompt where he can report for the issues that are occurring in his property. For example, if there is a tap broken, he can use that button to complain a file or report a issue. He can upload the images of the file, images of the problem, and describe the problem. So these are the things that we have done. We have finished 100% functionality of the office staff and gone to the tenant, and we have finished 40% functionality of tenant. And in the last sprint 3 we are going to do the full functionality of tenant and the functionality of the property owner. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my things here. See you again in sprint 3.